Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to influence augments on the TFT or the Teamfight Tactics. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open the Teamfight Tactics game into your PC. If you have it already downloaded, you can just go and do that through the Riot client. If you have the Riot client, of course, already downloaded again, you'll have to go and open that up. But if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through whatever browser you're currently using. And in my case, I'm actually using here Brave, but of course, for you, you can use any other browser. And once you are here, you can just go and type download Riot client now. Once it's downloaded, you will have to install it and open it up with the regular way. Of course, you can open it through your desktop as well if you want. Once it's open, you will find yourself here in this home screen or this main screen. Here you'll find the games that is already installed or downloaded into your PC. If you didn't find the Teamfight Tactics, you'll have to scroll down a bit until you find this Teamfight Tactics and click on it, and here you'll be able to install it from the PC or through the League of Legends, or you can install it on your phone, on iPhone through App Store, or on Android through the Google Play. Once it's installed, you'll have to go and open it up, and then of course you'll ask you to log in into your account. So if you have an account, log in into it, but if you don't, you'll have to go and create one. Once you're logged into your account, just go and find the match for yourself. Once you do that, you'll find yourself on a board like that. So of course, if you want to influence augments, the augments is those, as you can see, augments HQ, and the game, of course, you will have to remove champions that you don't need from your board. Of course, here as an example, I have a lot of augments right here on the left. So of course, if I want to influence the next augment, I can just go and sell my champions as an example. And yeah, let's just sell those champions. And let's just this two champions. And now I will guarantee myself an augment, which is going to be an ace augment or a trait augment or a mega prime augment. Those one augment you'll normally not find them. So of course, if you have less champions, that means less augment. That means you will guarantee yourself or influence the augment to have one of those for you. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.